Good morning, everyone. Good morning from Spiderbear Boss. We are on day 2 of the cruise. Day 2 of the cruise. There was a little mix-up. Well, not a little mix-up, but a little change-up. We're not going to Nassau as planned because there is a storm on the way. So for our safety, we're having a day at sea. And a day at sea is pretty damn fun. We can do whatever the hell we want. Life, watch, kids. Just watch. And live at the cruise. Observe the cruise. In all its fine elegancies. But first, we must start off the day with some breakfast. So that's the first goal. I already brushed my teeth, so it's breakfast time. I haven't gotten breakfast yet, but it's pretty easy. Breakfast is a long ass line, so I'm waiting right now. But right now, enjoy the nice outside. And we're back outside. It's just me right now because everybody's still waking up, we're still asleep. But there ain't no room in the breakfast area. So we're outside now. And this is our delicious food. We're all finally together after a wonderful morning. I already finished my mimosa like 10 seconds ago.
Everyone's wondering why I didn't leave all my money in the like I was not gonna.
Because I'll steal it.
Don't get that.
What?
Nothing. Don't worry about it.
What'd you drop?
Nothing.
I was so excited.
Look at it.
It's down there.
No more cash. I have to go to my car.
It started. Oh, it has a.
You're recording the
backwards.
plane.
You're recording
You're not recording yourself.
No, it's
The best part
perfect.
is, it has a screen on the other side too.
Gym time, baby. Oh, point to this guy. He's huge. Look at this. Gym time, baby.
Ah! It's raining, but we raving.
How many do we need? 6? 5?
Wait,
Are we ready to golf?
ready to go?
Ready? Ready to go.
Ready to go?
We're all yellow.
Go for the rain.
Stand by your ball once you hit it.
What? We got 2 balls. You know what that means?
It means neither of them are blue, so you're not doing a good job.
I'll try harder.
Here, grab your stick.
Give me my stick. I get 1 stick left. The last stick. Let's go hit some balls, boys.
Nice
What
shot.
a ball. You know what? You almost made it. Angel, take this. Wait. Take this. Watch this. This is how you
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
That's how you do it. Wow.
I can't do inappropriate things. There's the kids around. Nick! Nick hits the ball. It's getting set. What a stance. What a stance. What a hit. What a hit. And it goes backwards. And you suck. Can Angelo do better? Angelo squares up his stance. He's ready. He's ready to commit. He commits to the shot. Oh, practice.
Try to swing.
Practice swing.
Watch this fail. Watch this.
Get to that. He's got old girl over there. He's gonna commit to the shot right here.
Commit.
Commit.
Way too hard.
Oh, it's too much of a commitment.
Too much power.
Too much commitment. Take it, Tommy. Take it. I got you.
The best one right here.
Let's see him. Ball's right there.
The ball's gonna be in the hole.
It's just got to go right there.
What's wrong with you guys?
You hit her ball out of the way, bro.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Up to Dom. Once again, to see if he can make it in the hole. He's never done it before. Never entered a hole in his life.
No holes.
No holes for Dominic, ever.
Not a single one.
Not a single one.
Look at the stance, the form.
The form.
Watch this.
What do you have to say about that shot? Wait. You can't take multiple. Wait.
Another one.
No. Not another one.
Another mimosa.
Take that, dude.
Another mimosa. Kick my ball out.
Over there. No, Angelo, get his
Frick. Another mimosa, my buddy.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Stay thirsty, my friends.
Dos Equis.
Drink beer, but when I do, I prefer Dos Equis. Stay thirsty, my friends.
What a shot.
What a shot. Thomas, can you replicate? What a bitch.
His ball was still in there.
That's not my problem. That's a stroke.
Okay, I count that. I count it. It's in there.
That's,
Look at this.
bro, you're so trash.
That's cheating. His ball's literally...
Angelo? Wow. That wasn't it. Nick? That wasn't it either. What the hell's wrong with you? Angelo, good job. Nick? You're a piece of shit. Go home. Ow. Cock.
What a shot.
Look at that. POV. You're the ball. Oh. It's like Wii Sports. See, I think we're done. It's raining hard.
There you go. Not winnable.
Winnable? 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 It's time to run! It should be ready though. How thirsty are you?
I'll take 6 more cans to quench my thirst.
Can I have it?
Is that pretty good?
I like it. Want to try it?
Thirsty boy.
You said you don't want it?
I said that'll work.
That'll work. Thirsty? Get out of our bathroom, ho.
Getting dumb. At least he locks the door like Angelo.
At least he locks the door. Now you shit in the dark. Mama say, mama saw. Goose. Oh shoot, almost tripped. But we were inside because it's raining. So now. What a white man.
Bible, sponsored by Blue Moon.
Your viewers might need this.
The Bible. Let's all just jump in the water and then we see like we made it. Once again, we're eating. This is at the council. This is the council table. We're gonna be discussing some big things here. Like why the hell is Nicholas so ugly? He doesn't know yet. We had a bowl of something. I don't know where Enrique went. It's feasting time.
Out here eating on the cruise, plenty of food. It's all pretty trash, but
We're getting through it.
I took a GoPro for his wallet.
What you gotta say about this trip so far, Angelo? Pretty good. You done? Is that it?
I think the trip as a whole.
This isn't English group. You don't have to try hard.
I'd give it like a 7.
Okay. Out of what?
Like if it had to range from
All right.
So 7.5.
Okay. Out of what?
10.
Very good. Trip rating? Hey, yo, let me get that on camera. That was your information, actually. I don't know, that was his information. What would you give the trip rating?
As long as I'm picking wallets, it's a 10. I already got one. Where'd you come from?
I'm gonna take wallets all day.
Hi guys! I thought you guys were eating tacos. So went to the taco place and you weren't there.
No tacos.
Yes. At 5.
Dripped out for Captain's Night. Drip check. 20 socks check. And only one with 20 socks. Kirby socks. This message is sponsored by Kirby. Drip check. Bro, you're not. Oh my god! I gotta cut that out. I gotta note to self: either blur something out or just cut that out. But do something with that. He put his pants down. I was not expecting that. Drip. We gotta see everybody else and see what everybody else's drip is like. Not that's the wrong kind of drip, Angela. Give that shoe. You a hoe. Drip.
There's creme brulee today.
No drip. Drip. Questionable drip. But we, all three of us, drip the hell out. Day 2 dinner. Day 2 dinner. What are you smiling for?
Of everything, all good.
Just that would have been perfect. That would have been funny.
Dinner. The main course. The main dinner. You ready to eat one? Jengamon. We got the 5-year-old cookie. Creme brulee.
Creme brulee is cold.
The plate is warm.
It's a chocolate cake.
The plate's warmer than the creme brulee.
Taking pictures of the drip. Mr. President, you gotta protect him.
Thank you.
I don't know what cruise is that. It's another cruise ship, but
It's not on the camera. Oh my god, your camera can't capture it.
I mean, I don't know how to zoom in, I'll be honest with you.
Can you?
I would imagine
Stressing me
so.
out. Get away from that rail with your dope.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Don't knock me over, please.
I hate it. I really hate it. Like, it makes me literally freak out a little bit. That made my balls tingle.
Oh my
And I'm
god.
making chest pains.
Oh, then the person that finds this will be like, who are these idiots?
Oh, he drops it.
Well, it's like, there's a lot of sparrows. How?
Where'd he go?
I'm pretty sure some birds just hang out on the cruise ship and they
For real?
They
just go
migrate.
with it. Yeah.
That's awesome. I want to be a cruise ship.
Rip.
It's actually a really smart bird. They ain't gotta worry about predators and stuff.
Hey yo.
Toddlers.
Cruise ship bird.
Free crumbs
I got
everywhere.
another compliment by an old lady though.
Did you? Are you gonna fuck her yet?
No.
Then what you talking to her for?
Because you kind of look like a professional golfer.
You know what? She probably thought you were gonna host the next bingo game.
I am the host. No, because we hosted the sushi classes.
Yeah. Are we late to that?
Should have gone to that sushi
First
class.
lesson.
Yeah.
Would've been
First lesson
a grade
about
A
sushi
student.
class.
Like,
Never
you know,
make
you
sushi
done
in
this
the
before,
morning.
yeah.
Always
we're-
give them the shit from the night.
Something like now. First time.
First time.
First time sushi cutter.
First time sushi cutter.
I bet you could still make it roll better.
What do you gotta say to that? He's challenged you to a sushi roll.
Roll these nuts. Bro, I walked
here
to the
first.
casino and felt like a fraud. I work.
This way.
This way.
This way.
Love kids, Johnny. I love kids.
Get that.
Oh shoot.
I got that one on camera. I got that one. What was that you said before? Is it gonna play I can see over Dom's head completely?
Huh?
What the hell? Let's put the camera back on that. On the way back.
This is no Outlast.
This is now left, Charles. That's true.
Little pig, whatever he is.
Why'd you do that? You're such an asshole.
I'm gonna tell him I gave you my belt so I don't feel bad.
Marshall Cougar.
Stop being an ass. Oh my god, fix my car!
My children.
Can you fix it, please? You're making it. I'm not a vampire. So we're past the exit.
Oh well, yeah. Well, we went this way. Drip golf.
Sunset. Soaked. Actually, I'm working.
Drip golf.
I dripped out sunset pic. I'm making a postcard. You're like,
Grab a ball. Okay, okay.
so you don't like taking photos? Why? Are you like, just don't like it? You're self-conscious?
Yeah.
I respect that.
What a failure. Voted. Thank you. What a save. What a save. Angelo Alvarez dripped out. But how drippy can he be? Not drippy enough. Enrique?
I'm gonna go watch the sunset. Goodbye.
This is impossible. What do you have to say about that, Angelo? How have you felt your mini golf streak has been going so far?
Like ass.
Ass? Well, we're playing with a couple of special eds.
Oh, one.
Perfect.
Is he a straight shooter? Let's find
Let's
out.
see this. Get a hole in one easy here. Real quick, on camera. Wait, Angel, real quick on camera. Put that down on the ground. I just wanted it on camera. Alright, go for it. Wait, I just wanted it on camera for the footage. Alright, we're gonna try and do this. Wow, real sportsman-like. Alright. That might have been it.
I'm the guardian. Are you kidding?
The double shot? You're really bad at this.
Oh my god.
And with that, I retire. Table tennis. Go kick those kids off. Go beat them for the play.
I can't do anything about it.
I came in first. You came first? First place? This first.
He's a liar.
Sure, she's happy. You came
That
first.
side eye was crazy. So how much money are we going up today?
At least $100.
At least $100. How much money are we going up today?
Wow, $150.
About $150? That's $150.
We ain't gonna be up. We're gonna be high.
How much money are we gonna be up today, Angelo?
Going down.
We're going down? I don't like that attitude. I think we're going up.
We're going up. $100.
$100 up.
$150.
Make it another grand today. We're doing it. 1,000. Another $100. What the fuck? I'm just gonna sit here and watch this guy dance for 20 minutes.
We got cornhole going on here. Let's go ahead and see. Let's see how the players are feeling. How do you think you're gonna perform today? Angelo, how do you think you're gonna perform today during cornhole?
Why are you so close?
How do you think you're gonna perform?
I think I'm gonna do great.
Okay, Enrique. How do you think you're gonna perform today during cornhole?
I'm at least gonna destroy Dominic. Dominic has no chance.
Isn't he on your team?
No, Dominic is against me.
My bolas.
No chance.
My bolas.
How do you think you're gonna do today?
I think this is easy.
Oh shit. Okay. Y'all got a team name?
You guys get the bags too.
Team name?
What's our team name? Yeah, no. What's our team name, Dominic? Team name is... Let's give it the team name.
The Shitters?
Yes, sir.
You guys are the Shitters. What are you?
That's us.
What's your team name?
We're the Pissers.
The Pissers. The Shitters versus the Pissers. He's over here off in La La Land. And, all right. Whoa, whoa.
Oh yeah, we have one more.
What's the difference between real speed and not real speed?
I don't know.
Does it come out the same?
I don't know. I haven't messed with it that much.
So which one do you usually know where to use?
None of them.
So how did I get out rid of it?
I don't know. Today I lost $300. I owe Thomas $100. Enrique is up 100.
Up $100.
Angelo did not gamble. He's a smart man.
Smart man.
And Thomas is playing poker. Thomas is up. Thomas is playing poker. So I guess we'll see the aftermath. Who put the keys back? Someone moved the keys.
Yeah, this one's gonna forget them.
Shame. Well, day 2. We'll see what happens when Thomas comes back.
Oh, fuck that. No content.
I'm a biological weapon. I killed them all with my gas. Also, Thomas lost his money in poker.
Lost my money. I'm still good. I'm still up.
He's still up. End of day 2. We lost money in poker, and I'm a biological weapon.
Need to freaking go to the bathroom.
Tomorrow, we go to the islands.